Okay, I have given the students a mason jar, and I've asked them to pick out 7 dots that are all the same color. And here is what I want you to do. I want you to open your math notebook to the next clean page. It's the page after the interactive notebook page we just did. The blue, yep, so the next clean one. So right here. And you can tell they're excited. This is the first time we filmed in the room, so they're doing a lot of waving. That'll go away. We won't do that after today, right? No more waving at the camera. Okay, so near the middle of your page, I want you to glue down your mason jar. Not with the dots on it, just the mason jar.
Glue down just your mason jar?
Yeah, in the middle of the page. So here, let's flip this here so that it's just that page, in the middle of that page. Kobe, do your work. And you can see they're doing a great job of following directions. They're all gluing that down right in the middle of their page. Fantabulous. Love it. Okay. Now I've also asked them, you can see I have these little dots that I have cut out. I have this hole punch that I think I vlogged about earlier in one of my videos that I didn't know what I was going to do with it. Well, now I do, because these are now marbles. And I've asked them all to get 7 of those marbles. So they all have 7 of those, all of one color. And I'm going to ask them, and I'm asking you now, to put some of your marbles in your jar and some of your marbles out of your jar and glue them down. So glue some of your marbles in your jar and some of them out of your jar. And I don't care which way you do it. It's up to you. Okay, you have 8. Count those again. You should only have 7. No, you have too many.
I forgot to get one.
Right here's yours.
I got 3 by accident.
Oh, you need an extra one? Is that what you're saying?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you have too many. Go to math seeds when you finish. Put it in the bucket and go to math seeds.
This is fun.
Okay, did you get yours glued down?
Yeah.
Okay, the next thing that I want you to do is to write a number sentence to represent what you just put in there.
Would you sing it?
Number sentence to represent what you just put in. So think about what's inside the jar, what's outside the jar, and what you have to do to those to figure out the number that you have in all. Now think about what you just wrote. Tell me what you just wrote.
7 plus 3 equals 4.
Now, does 7 plus 3 equal 4? Is that what? Oh, Brad, do you think that's nice? Okay. Did you add together 7 and 3? Think about it. How many is inside?
3.
And how many is outside?
4.
And then how many is in all?
7.
So that's what you added together. I bet you can fix that for me. Okay, let's see what Mr. Brad writes. So he's got 3 plus 4 equals 7. So what does the 3 represent?
The inside.
And what does the 4 represent?
Outside.
And what's the 7 represent?
The whole.
Very good. Did you get yours? Bree, tell me what you wrote.
4 plus 3 is 7.
And what does the 4 tell us?
How many are inside?
And the 3?
Outside.
And the 7?
The whole.
Very good. And what about you, Miss Emma?
The 4 stands for the inside, and the 3 stands for the outside, and the 7 stands for the whole.
Very good.
4 is on the inside, and 3 is on the outside.
And what about the 7?
I don't know.
Well, you've got it on your paper. What does the 7 tell us?
The 7 tells in all.
In all, very good. Did you get it fixed? I bet you knew what you were doing. Tell me what you put.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Yes, and what does the 3 tell us?
How many's inside the jar, and the 4 represents the marbles outside the jar.
And then the 7?
The 7 is the whole.
Okay, did I ask you, Serenity? Can you tell me about yours?
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay, and what does the 3 tell us?
It tells us how many's in the jar, and the 4 represents how many's outside the jar.
And what about the 7?
That's how many is in all.
Very good. I love it. So they did a great job with that activity, and I'm looking forward to many more.